So I got a nice little ladder there. Alright. Probably gotta use a little ladder. Oh, somebody would have tried to get it open already?
No, it was cracked.
Okay, half closed.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me use your ladder for a minute. Alright. Yeah.
That's the handle.
That's it?
No, that's the handle. You gotta go more this way.
It's a button I gotta press.
Yup, right there. Yup, go on. There it is. Yeah.
Okay. Got you all set.
Sweet.